Hello guys, welcome back to Neff Dishwasher. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Neff Dishwasher E15 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're wondering how do you fix the E15 error code here from your Neff Dishwasher, well, there are going to be a few things that you need to know and you can actually do here. So first, let's go and discuss what causes the error itself. So first thing that might be causing this issue is there might be some water accumulation in the base tray here. So if a sufficient amount of water collects in your or in this case in your dishwasher, the floater might trigger the error itself. So in this case, you need to drain this. And also another thing that could cause this issue is if food debris actually build up and can cause leaks inside the dishwasher. So in this case, basically the dirty dishwasher. Now, the first thing that you could try doing here is you might want to drain your base tray here. So first, for safety reasons, you want to turn off your dishwasher and plug it from the main power supply. If you can reach it, just make sure to turn off the actual switch for this one or the breaker. But yeah, from here on, you want to go and remove the front panel here, open the door, and then screw the top and bottom screws securing the panel. Now, you want to close the door and carefully pull the front panel backward from the hinge area. Now, just tilt your dishwasher backward and remove the base front cover. Now, unscrew the metallic cover and remove the insulation layer here to access the base tray. Now, from there on, just remove the sensor and polystyrene floater disc. Now, soak up the accumulated water using a sponge or a towel and reassemble the dishwasher once the old water is removed. Now, you can go and just run a test program here and see if that works. And another thing that you might want to do is you want to prevent some leaks. So again, turn off your appliance here and disconnect it from the power source. Now, clean the dishwasher internal compartments here by scrubbing away food debris inside. Now, just be careful not to change the or not to damage the rubber seals here. This could cause more leaks. So wipe down all clean surfaces with a cloth once done. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.